Hey guys, what's up? It's me Gaming with Dafna here, and today I will be showing you how to fix Xbox 360 Red Ring of Death. So as you can see, if I turn it on right now, as you can see, it gives me a Red Ring of Death. So you're gonna, first of all, you're gonna turn it off. Go to your, go back with your Xbox. Unplug everything. Everything only left is a power cord, the main power cord. You need this kind of two cotton stuff. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in a vent right here. Try and find the fan. Wherever you find it, just slide it right in. Don't put it all the way in. Got another one. Let me just turn on the. Alright. So just slide it right in. There we go. Now it's done. Okay, so now if you flip it back, turn it on. Alright. So let it just stay. And make sure that there is no disc in your disc tray, because you can just damage it. Alright, so let it just load. It's gonna take a bit while. Just leave it on for maybe 50 seconds, 5 to 10 minutes. After that we'll see. Whenever you see one of the lights is gone, then like you can turn off your Xbox. Okay, so as you can see, one of the lights is gone. There used to be 3 of them, so now it's only 2. So you can just switch it back off. Or you can just unplug it from the back if it won't turn off. Excuse me. Alright, so now plug it back in. Take this cotton stuff out. Plug your video cord in. Since I'm using HDMI, I'm gonna plug that in. Alright, so that's done. Plug in your controller, or if you're wireless, whatever. Since I'm wired. Alright, so now you turn on your Xbox and look at your monitor. As you can see, it turned on very well. Your screen It's working, no problems, you're good to go. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If there is So if you get this kind of error, like this, so if you see this kind of error, something your console is designed to automatically shut down to protect from. Alright, so just press A and you're in. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this tutorial helped.